Welcome back. Okay, we're going to do a hustle whip with an outside underarm pass on the anchor. Cool. Here we go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. See how nice that was? You're going to end upside down, so that means we got other patterns to get you out of that. Cool? Here we go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nicely done. All right, look at you go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very nice. Remember, ladies, you're not trying to rush this part. When he leads the outside, you're going to use that whole anchor, that triple step at the very end, 7 and 8, to actually just kind of move softly through, okay? So don't try to rush that. That's your hint. So if you need more information, you go back to the private lesson style videos, okay? So go practice, 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 and come right back for the next pattern. See you in a moment.